Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hoover brand dryer and it's giving you an E9 error and you're thinking, what is this error and is there anything I can do to get rid of it? So I'm going to start with the bad news right away, which is this is not an easier error for a homeowner to fix. If you can search the internet, but it's pretty much you're going to get some general information and recommendations to call a technician because this is a thermal cutout being detected as faulty, and it's being detected as faulty. So that means it could be faulty, or the sensor could be faulty, or the control board could be faulty, or there could be wiring, but anywhere along the way that could be loose or frayed or whatever. Unfortunately, this is not an easy one to fix on your own. The one thing that I do recommend with these type of electronic faults before calling a technician is to still do a hard restart on your dryer, just like on a computer can sometimes make things work right and you don't even know why. And that just consists of turning it off, disconnecting power from it, so unplugging it at the wall or turning it off at the circuit for a full minute, and then reconnecting power, turning it back on, and see if it doesn't clear the error out. And again, if it doesn't, you're probably going to have to call a professional at that point. But anyways, I hope this video helped you figure out at least what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.